Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna share with you guys 5 affiliate marketing hacks for complete beginners, and you can use this hack guys to shortcut your success with affiliate marketing and get really fast results to make money with affiliate marketing. Keep watching. Hack number 1 guys is that you need to set up an authority. Right now, most big affiliate company guys, especially in the JBZoo marketplaces and Warrior Plus marketplaces guys, and any other affiliate companies guys, they will not gonna approve you if you don't have an authority. So it's really important guys that you set up an authority or build your authority. And how you would do that, it's really simple. Once you figure out your niche, you can create a website. It can be a form of a blog, a portfolio, or a landing page, or or you can set up your YouTube channel. You can set up your Facebook fan page, your Facebook profile. You optimize your Facebook profile. It needs to have a representation of that brand, of your brand, because if you don't have a brand, you don't have an authority guys, these big companies, these big vendors guys, they will not gonna approve you guys if you don't have an authority, if you don't know what exactly you're doing, right? You don't know how to drive traffic. So it's really important guys that you represent yourself as a professional person, as if you know exactly what you need to do, right? So once you figure out your niche, it basically set up an authority in a form of a website. It can be a blog, a content. You can set up your YouTube channel. You can use this tool right here, which is system.io. Now with system.io, you can set up your affiliate marketing website absolutely for free. You can create a blog. See this one right here. When you guys go to pricing page right here, you'll be able to create a blog. You can create one blog and you can create unlimited blog posts, and this is where you set up your authority, right? Hack number 2 guys, so once you set up your channel authority, it can be a website or a YouTube channel guys, you need to start producing content. It can be a form of a blog post, or it can be a video content guys. You need to start creating more and more and more content, alright? Because just like I said guys, when you apply for an affiliate approval to whatever offer or product that you wanted to promote, these big companies or these vendors guys will require you to put your channel authority link. It can be your website. They're gonna ask you for your website link, or for your YouTube channel link, or for your Facebook profile account. So you're gonna need to start producing content. That way, when these vendors, these people, these companies guys, they're gonna see that you know exactly what you're doing. You produce content, you know exactly what your niche is, you know exactly how to drive traffic into their offer, and they're most likely guys to approve you, and they can help you guys in your promotion. And that is exactly what you need to do, alright? Hack number 3 guys, now if you don't know how to create a content, how to write an article, just like me, if you don't know how to create a video guys, you don't have any kind of idea guys, you can just basically become a knowledge broker. What is knowledge broker is all about? It's basically guys, all of the videos that I put together in my YouTube channel guys is the knowledge that I learned from other people. So you're basically learning things from other people and implementing that things and start producing that as a content. I'm not really saying that you copy exactly what they're doing. You can just basically model them and put that into your own words and create a content based on the topic or based on the things that you learn from other people. That's exactly what you can do guys. If you don't know, if you don't have any idea, if you don't know how to write a content, you can just basically become a knowledge broker. It's not a bad thing because everyone is copying idea from each other. So you can use this strategy guys to start creating content. Hack number 4 guys is that start helping people, right? This is where the money comes in, all right? Now a lot of people guys, they're really worried about how they can make their first dollar or how they can make their first sales, right? If you cannot help people, if you cannot provide value, you cannot make money online. So it's really important, guys, that you help people, you provide value by creating more and more and more content. So the reason why I create more and more content into my YouTube channel, guys, is because I really wanted to help you guys out. I really wanted you to be successful with affiliate marketing. Now, I'm not making like thousands of dollars with affiliate marketing, but I'm actually making money, guys, with the method that I'm currently doing in my network or in my channel authority, which is my YouTube channel. So it's really important, guys, that you help people, you provide value by constantly creating content, by constantly answering questions. So if that person, email you or comment in your videos, you need to start, engaging to those people, replying to those people, because those people will gonna buy from you, guys. So it's really important that you help them succeed as well, because that's how you make money. If you're gonna help people, you're gonna make money. If you're gonna solve the problem, you're gonna make money, right? Hack number 5, guys, is that don't pretend to be a millionaire, right? A lot of people trying to fake it, trying to scam people out there on social media by posting fake income screenshot. Alright, guys, don't pretend to be a millionaire, guys. You will not get great results with affiliate marketing if you do this kind of stuff, right? Start creating content, start creating valuable information that can really help people, and that's how you can entice people to be part of your ecosystem and to eventually buy from the product or offer that you're trying to sell to them. So yeah, those are my 5 affiliate marketing hacks that you can use, guys, to get really fast results with affiliate marketing. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this content, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell icon so you guys will get notified every time I upload tips and tricks like this to help you guys get great results with affiliate marketing. Bye. Love you. Mwah.